All right, then I go here and using reference plane, I'll draw a line here. And there it is. And then another one here vertically. These lines don't necessarily need parameters, so I'll just specify a borderline for them. 195 here, and then 50 here. Then I'll find the middle point of this, so 25. It's here, and then I'll delete this one. After that, I'll go to the Create tab and use the Sweep tool, although I'm in the plan right now. So let me go to the view. So here, select these bonds and delete them. And after that, go to the front view here. Once again, select the reference plane. Draw one here, 195, and then another one vertically, and that's 25, and then another one here, which is also 25. And then here from the Create tab, I'll use the Sweep tool, select the sketch path, and here draw the circle. We have one down here, and then another one up here. And then after that, using line, I'll connect this point to this point here. Then I'll split it up and check the delete inner segment box, or I could uncheck this and then select this point and this one down here and trim these ones, and then these two here. All right, after that we'll go up here and trim this part as well. There it is. And then we'll draw the limit here, and then another one for this one as well. Let me just fix this one real quick. This one goes there. All right, click on this one as well, just to get a cleaner look here. All right, there it is. So this part here has a length itself, which is 188 that we see here, and then this one's 85. So we have two 85s in total, and then another one, 188. Let me just put this here. Then using trim, fix these up as well. All right, so as I said, we have two 85s and one 188. So here in the family types, we'll create a parameter for it and name it length. All right, and then here I'll put in the value manually. 2 times 85 plus 188. And there it is. All right, 350 it is. This will come handy later on in the estimates. So then I'll finish this up. And as we said, the rebar part here has the width itself, which is 8. So I'll go here and select profile. And then here, select this, then diameter. Then let me put the scale on 1/5. And then I'll select this one and name it rebar diameter. I'll just put an S in the beginning. So S rebar diameter. Okay, and then here, put an 8 for the value of the rebar. Then finish here. Then I'll select this, and from this part, I'll give it a parameter, which I'll name rebar. After that, from the Manage tab, I'll create a subcategory for it, which I'll also name rebar. Then I'll change the color and put this under the rebar subcategory from this menu. And then let's go to the front view, select this, edit here again. And then this line is going to be tangent. This one right here. All right. Then select this one and then fix these up as well. All right. And there it is. So this is the S structure that we're going to distribute every 15 centimeters. So now I'll save it under the name of rebar, save, and then I'll click on load into project and close. Then I'll go to the plan, and here from the create tab, I'll select the component, and then I'll hit space and click on here. Alright, after that, I'll go here, dimension now, select aligned, and then put one over here, and after that, another one on this side as well. Alright, I'll just select these two, and then I'll name them offset in here. Okay. Then from the family types here, I'll put the offset on 100. Alright, and then I'll select the reference plane and put one over here. There it is. And then another one here. And then select dimension again. And then draw one here. And then we go here. So we'll select these ones as well. And in the parameter properties, we'll name them start as rebar. Put it under instance and OK. After that, I'll select the align tool up here, and then I'll lock the middle point of this with the middle point of this one, and then these ones as well. Then I'll go to the left view, which looks like this. Alright, so let me just go back to the family types, and here for the L rebar diameter, we have 14. Okay, and then we go here in the plan, and this one's going to be 8 as well. There it is. Then here I'll select this piece and pull it upwards a bit. Alright, let me just pull it down a bit again, and let me just see what the height is here. Ctrl Z, then Ctrl Z again, then select align, click on this part to align them, and then using the move tool, click on here, and then after doing that, we'll go here and put in 185 for this. Now let's see what else we have here. I'll just go here and click on this part. Let me just see if it shows it here. Alright. Let's just go back to the family. Then here, open up the front view again. Let's see what we have here. I'll select this part and pull it here. So this part looks okay. Just put this on strong reference. After that, we'll go here, overwrite. Alright, and now it looks fine. So for now, I'll close the front tab that we've opened, and then here, select align. Oh, it's already been locked. That's why it doesn't select it anymore. And as you can see, I really can't pull it here. So cancel this one, and let's go back to the plan. And then let's see what we have here. Here in dimensions, we have the start as rebar. Let me just put that on 100. Alright, and then let me just see, it said we need to put it every 15 centimeters. So let's put it on 150. And then I'll add another parameter here, which I'll name space as rebar. Copy in name, put this under instance, and then construction for this one. Okay. And then here in the value section, put in 150. Alright, and now select this. And then using the array tool, put this on move to last. Then I'll connect from this point to this one here. Then select the align tool and lock the middle part of this with the middle part of this one. So now I'll go here in the family types and create a new parameter, and I'll name this one number S rebar. Alright, then put this on instance, construction here, and the type is going to be integer. Okay. I can also put this on the shared parameter and go here and estimate the number of it. So edit this one and put it under T-beams, new here, and add the integer here. Okay. Then I'll put this one on T-beams, then number here, and okay. Alright, so now the rest of them, the start S rebar and the other ones, don't really matter in the estimates, so I'll just leave them. And then I'll go to the length dimension that we have here. I'll copy this, and in the number section, in the formula, I'll put this and divide it by space S rebar. And then OK. Then I'll select this. Then from here, I'll select a number and put it on this formula. And this is what it turns out like. All right, let me just open up the family types again. Looks fine, close it. So I'll go back here and change the length to 2500 here, apply, then OK. And now this part has been messed up. It's not a big problem, we'll fix it. So here, Control Z. Let me just pull this down here. So the rest of them look fine for now. I'll just select this and pull it here. And then select this one as well and move it to this point. This one as well, it's locked. So the only remaining part is this one, which we locked to this part as well. So now I'll try it again. Put in 2500 for the length, and there it is. As you can see, the problem has been fixed. So then I'll select this and open up the edits. Then here I'll add the parameters to it and connect it to the rebar. Then open up this and put an S rebar length here. And then for this one, open up the properties and type in S rebar diameter. All right, okay. Then okay here and finish it up. So let me see what else we have to do. Here, go to the Manage tab and open up the Object Styles. Then here, I'll create a new one and name it Rebar. Then I'll select this and put it under the Rebar subcategory. Then again, from the Manage tab and the Object Styles, I'll create a new subcategory named Concrete. Okay, and then I'll put this under subcategory of concrete. Then save the file.